When it's all said and done, you've done your work, Mari. You've done all you can do. We talk about legacy, and I'm not sure if legacy is on your mind, but we talk about legacy and, your purposeful work. How do you want to be remembered?
I want to be remembered as a community leader. I think I try my best to be engaged with communities outside of my own. So I have found myself in Club Creole, which I am not Haitian by any means, but one of my good friends is the president of the organization. So she is teaching me how to speak Creole. She's teaching me about the Haitian culture, and I have just learned so much just by being there, just by helping them with the things that I can help them with. I helped them organize their pageant and I hosted the pageant, and they know that I'm very passionate about pageantry. So bringing me in that way and then teaching me about Haitian culture was so beautiful to finally do. I think that I just want people to remember the advice that I give, to keep being themselves, no matter how many doors are closed in front of you. If you just turn around, there is one that opened behind you. There is one that opened to the side of you. And if I feel like if you keep looking at the door that closed, you're going to miss the opportunities that are being granted to you. And no does not mean impossible. It does not, it just means no right now.
Correct.
You
So
can't do it right now, but it doesn't mean that you can't do it.
so true. So true. Well said. Well said. I'm not sure where you're getting your wisdom from.
Oh, this is my parents and God. I I
But
have
you're sure talking wisdom here,
this
You know,
is
in
this is
fact, a door
nothing but
must
my
close for
parents.
you must have some doors closed for others to open, don't they? You know, you can't have all open doors, can you?
You're going to hear no so many times. And I believe that had I stopped the first time someone told me no, I would have never accomplished the achievements that I have now. You are going to be told no so many times before you finally get told yes. And if you take no as no, not right now, instead of no, you can never, you're going to see so many opportunities be granted to you that who knows, maybe that no was protecting you from something. Maybe you didn't need to join that club, or you didn't need to go into that company, and now you have better opportunities that you would have never saw if you continue to think no, never, instead of no, not right now.
And no is just fuel in the engine, right?
Yes.
To push you on, to push you on. We've said many things today. You have said many things today, but I want you to narrow it down to one or two takeaway. And I want you to think of those individuals who may be struggling.
I think biggest takeaway, literally what we just said. No does not mean no. It means no, not right now. It does not mean impossible. It does not mean give up. I want to encourage people to continue being themselves. I know that specifically within my age group, because we're all college age kids, we're either preparing for grad school, preparing to come into college, preparing to leave college and go into the real adult world where we have to do everything by ourselves. As somebody who has struggled with their mental health in the past, I think that when you cling on to the people that truly love you, you cling on to the people that are truly supportive of you, even in your downfalls, even in your moment of crisis, that is how you overcome that mental hurdle. That is how you come out of the weight that is bearing down on you. That is how you come out of the darkness. When you lean on those people that are allowing you to lean on them, you just throw your entire body weight on them for as long as you have to. And then when they need that, do it for them in return. I feel like finding the people that let you vent. Venting is a great form of therapy. Me and my friends get together and we just talk about all of the things that are happening that stress us out, and everybody feels better afterwards.
Mm.
So I feel like encouraging people to take time for themselves, focusing on your mental health, leaning on the people that are allowing you to lean on them, and then realizing that no is not impossible. It means no, not right now. And I need you to turn around and look at the doors that are being opened behind you, because if you continue to stare at shut doors, you will forever be locked out.
You'll forever see shut doors, huh?
Yes.
So true. You know, Is there anything else you'd like to add that you haven't already said as we close?
I just think that I'm really excited. I want to say thank you so much for doing this with me today. This is one of my first things that I've done as Miss Florida Gator. So it's just really great to finally be using my title for something good. I love the conversation that we were having. I cannot wait to see how the video turns out and be able to share it with everybody who is just super excited to see me do things with Vote Pink. I hope to speak to you again sometimes. Maybe I might be talking to you as Miss Florida. We're going to hope in June.
I am not hoping. I know we will. I am not hoping. I know it's going to be here. That's the case.
So I hope to be doing that. I hope to one day represent the Sunshine State on the Miss America stage. And I just encourage everybody to find a friend that is super passionate about the things that you are passionate about, and both of y'all walk together and go after your goals, because at the end of the day, there's never going to be a right time, but if you start right now, something will come to fruition.
You know, with your attitude, your sense of commitment and wanting to do it and get it done, I don't see how you won't achieve your goal.
Thank you.
The next time we talk, well, maybe not next time, but when after that event, you will be, tell me what?
Miss Florida.
Be Miss Florida. There's no doubt about it. I don't see how that it can be anything else.
I truly hope so. And even if I'm not crowned the next Miss Florida, I will continue my year of service as Miss Florida Gator and try again next year.
Amen.